This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own delicious bagels using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 500 grams of bread flour, 10 grams of salt, and 5 grams of instant yeast. Also, prepare 300 milliliters of warm water and 10 grams of sugar or malt. Having everything ready at room temperature ensures a smooth process and perfect results for your homemade treats. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. Combine all your dry ingredients with the warm water in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough comes together, then transfer it to a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, giving bagels their characteristic chewiness. Finally, let it rest in a greased bowl for 1 hour, allowing it to double in size. Once your dough has risen, it's time to shape those beautiful bagels. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 90 grams. Roll each piece into a ball, then gently poke a hole through the center and stretch it to form the classic bagel shape. Next, boil them in water with a tablespoon of malt or sugar for 60 seconds on each side. This crucial step gives them their unique chewy texture. Almost there, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your boiled bagels onto a baking sheet. Bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a firm, chewy texture. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and adding your favorite toppings. Enjoy your delicious homemade bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.